In this video, we'll take a quick look at how memberships are different from packages, so you can choose the option that works best for you. The main difference between the two is that memberships can be purchased or issued on a recurring basis, while each package is a one-time purchase or issue. Furthermore, memberships allow holders to access membership-exclusive services that can entail an additional fee or be free of charge for membership holders. Packages, on the other hand, carry a set amount of credits that can be used to book specific services and purchase set products and add-ons. Unlike with memberships, the linked services, products, and add-ons will not be exclusive to package holders. Other clients will be able to book and purchase them as well using your configured payment method. When package credits are used, the associated booking can be made for any available date. However, for memberships, the date has to be within the validity of the membership. For example, if a membership is only valid for this month, it will not be possible to use this membership to book for the next month. Both have a custom validity period beginning on the day of purchase by default. However, memberships also allow you to set a specific date that will determine its validity based on the set duration. Both packages and memberships can be available for purchase on the booking page or be hidden so only you'll be able to issue them to clients. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.